Get paid to click ads. So in this video, I'm going to talk about 8 websites where you can get paid for clicking ads. So watch this video until the end. I will reveal all 8 websites. You are not only going to make money by clicking ad, you can make money by completing tasks, online surveys, watching videos and playing games on each website, guys. So watch the video until the end for the full review, guys. So the number one is called newbox.com. This is a website where you can earn money by clicking ads. You can see this number one here. This website gonna pay you 0.01 for clicking ad, and there's a different offers every single day. You have ads to click and earn money. Sometimes there's an ad that's gonna pay you 10 cent, 20 cent more money than this one, guys. So you have to go every single day to click ad. But only that, you can click this one called surveys, where you can earn money by completing these surveys. These surveys only take less than 5 minutes to complete. These are the surveys that are available to you today, so you can complete that. You can earn roughly $67 every single day, guys. Also, you can earn money by completing games. You can see here, and if you click coin section, it will take you to another page. These are other websites that link with the Newbox, where you can register and do the surveys and watch videos, and you can earn money. After you earn money, you can withdraw your money using your PayPal account, guys. The second website is called scarletclick.info. Here that you can see you can earn up to 0.01 cent per each ad. It's up to you, up to different ads. Some of them pay you 0.001, some of them pay you 0.01, guys. And that you can see the minimum payout is $2, and you can withdraw the money using Skrill, TMT, Payeer and Bitcoin. So if you have a Bitcoin wallet, you can transfer your earning to your Bitcoin wallet, guys. That you can see here, you can earn money only with advertisement here, not other ways. But again, you can earn some additional income by clicking ads. Third website is you can see here is called SubClick.com. Here I just installed it and I already earned 20 cents here. Basic, what is this is you have to create a free account with SubClick.com. After that, you have to install SubClick, a browser extension that's only available in Firefox and Microsoft Word, Microsoft Edge, not available in Google Chrome. So you need to have either this browser in your computer to work, or you have to do install the extension. So when this ad is available, there's a notification. If you click that, and it will take the page, you watch the ad and you get paid for that. And you can withdraw your money using your PayPal account, and again you can refer people, and you can earn 3 months of your referred money, guys. So whatever the people sign up for with your link, for you can earn certain percentage of their 3-month earning, guys. Number 4 is called StarClicks.com. It's similar to the Scarlet Clicks. That you can see I already earned $7 on here, and with the referral I earned 11 cents here today. Again, what this website basically do is, again you can see here, pay per clicks. If you click that, it will open, it will take the advertisement where you can click ads and you can earn money. Also, you can refer people, so when they sign up and withdraw, you can earn money from that. This is with the free account. You can see if you upgrade for gold membership, that you can have a more advertisement to click every single day, that you can earn a little bit more money than the free account, guys. Again, if you can't afford it, just go with the free account, that you can earn some additional money every single day, and you can use PayPal to withdraw your money, guys. Number 5 is called Weisen.com. Again, it's similar to Scarlet, where you can earn money by clicking ads. That you can say I already earned 96 cents today. And again, you can earn money by paid surveys, guys. So there's two things that you can do. Also, if you click offer section, and it will take you to this page, that you can see here that you can earn money by completing these offers, basically clicking ad. And again, that you can see you can play games, watch videos, and you can do a lot of other stuff. These are the offer board. Different offers are available. Each of them pay you different amount of money. These are not points, these are actual money, that you can gather this money and you can withdraw using your PayPal account or Payeer account, guys. Number 6 is called Heedu.com. Again, you can see earn commission when you followers watching your ad. Basically, you watch an ad for 5-10 seconds and you get paid for that. Right now, this website paid around 106,000 people since 2012. That you can earn up to $3 to $4 every single day from this website by watching your ad. And again, it's depend on where your location is and number of ad is playing you, and the amount of money that you get paid for each ad, guys. like I said before, every single ad is gonna pay 0.001 or 0.01. It depends on the ad, guys. So you can, if you register this account, that you can straight away get $1 into your wallet, guys. Number 7 is called AURU, AYUWage.com, that you can see get paid to being website, basically ad. So you gonna get paid for watching ad. You can withdraw your money using a gift card or PayPal account straight away. This is a simple website and a little bit older website here, but again you can get paid some additional income every single day from this website. The number 8 and the final website is called getpaid.com. Again, you're gonna get paid to watch videos, clicking ads, completing tasks, and playing games, and much more. And you can withdraw your money using a PayPal account site. You can see PayPal, Bitcoin, Web Money, and Amazon gift card. Now these, most of the website gonna pay you Bitcoin, so if you have a Bitcoin wallet, you can transfer the money to over there, or you can withdraw using your PayPal account. So I hope, guys, you understand these are the websites you're gonna get paid to click ads, playing games, or watching videos, or completing offers and surveys. Again, this website not going to make you lots of money, but again, see, if you're able to earn $2 in minimum every single day from this website, that right now is $16 every single day, guys, with your free time. Again, that is not much, but if you're living in a developing country, that's lots of money, guys. Again, $16. If you're able to make $20 every single day, that hopefully gonna add up to $600 every single month that you can withdraw your PayPal account. Again, most of the website gonna pay you right away. So if you have available PayPal option, that you can get paid instantly, or you can use you have to wait 1 or 2 working days in order to get paid for that, guys. I hope you guys understand this video. Again, if you really like this video, subscribe, like, and share, and have a good day. See you next video, guys.